My name is Don Lum. I'm with the Oregon Clinic Gastroenterology East. I did my undergraduate and medical school at the University of California at Davis. From there, I did my residency and chief residency at Oregon Health Sciences University, and then back down to California for my fellowship training in gastroenterology at UC San Francisco. So I'm the clinical director of inflammatory bowel disease at the Oregon Clinic Gastroenterology East. So my passion or area of focus is mainly in inflammatory bowel disease, which is an autoimmune condition that affects the GI tract. I find this area of disease very challenging, but very rewarding when we help patients in remission. Outside of the office, if you follow me on the weekends, you'll usually find me busing my kids to track meets, to soccer practices, soccer matches. But if I'm not doing that, you'll usually find me on my road bike. Cycling is my passion. I love being outdoors. Every year, one of the big events that I participate in with a couple of my colleagues and friends is the RSVP, which is a big bike ride from Seattle to Vancouver, BC. I love cycling, and it keeps me young at heart. So one of the unique things about me is that I grew up on a fruit farm in Northern California, just near Napa Valley. I had 4 brothers and a sister growing up, and as you can imagine, we got into our fair share of trouble. But being on a fruit farm, it really instilled that work ethic that was important to me growing up, and it's followed me in my practice of medicine today. What I love about Portland is the weather. No, really, it's when I was in California and I was deciding to go into practice, it seemed like a natural fit to come back up north, back to Portland, since I did my residency here. My wife Stephanie grew up in Portland, and we both feel there's no better place to raise a family.